kitties and cats, and welcome to my new crazy insane house with butt sniffing and butt licking Callies and crazy wedges and fudges. Okay, so like this is kind of the main room. There's the dining room.
Oh, look at all this.
No, Bendy! Bendy! There's the kitchen. The living room's kind of cool. We got some steps here. And, here's the patio. We just let the dogs out because, they can't jump over the gate or anything. Well, maybe Fudge can, but you won't. So, alright, and, so I'll show you the, gaming, well, my room, where I'll be doing most of my videos.
This is my room.
So, probably on Monday we will do more banana ink machine. I was gonna do it tomorrow, but Street Fighter's coming Fortnite, so I'm probably gonna do a video on that first. So, like, here's my desk. Here's my room. I don't know why there's another bed, but there's already one right there. What's going on? I don't know what's going on. Don't know what the point is what that is for. Here's Liam's room, and we got a closet over here, and over here we got a bathroom. I'm gonna actually use the bathroom real quick. Okay? No. Oh wait. Can you hold this, Liam?
Sure.
And just don't pause it. It'll be very quick. Trust me. Okay? Let's start. Okay. All done. What? Yeah. The bathroom has 2 doors. It's really weird. It's dark in here. Now I'm over here again. So this is Liam's room.
Yep.
Here's the bunk bed. It used to be mine and Liam's, but we do not sleep in the same room anymore. So his desk is gonna be right there. That's where he's gonna be doing most of his videos. And there's like something really want to show you that that you guys will be seeing me gaming tomorrow. The basement. The Switch and PlayStation will be down here. Here it is, the basement. So we'll be doing our gaming here. Here's the TV. Street Fighter's supposed to come out at 7. So I will be doing the video today, but like it'll post tomorrow. I'll post it tomorrow, and then on Monday they'll do Benny and the Ink Machine. So this isn't much of a video. So this could be a normal day. Part 2. There's a second normal day, and my cousins really liked the first one. So let's see what it's like in a normal day in my house. Liam's trying to rip over that door. Don't do that, Liam. Come on. Grandpa's somewhere in here. Hello. And strength here. What do you do on your what do you do for a normal day? Hello? I'm gonna get you! Gonna get you, boy! Yeah. What's he doing in the bathroom? Where is he? I found you! Found you! Found you! I found you, boy! I found you! Careful of the step. It's a lot smaller than ours. I like you. Oh, save me. Let me inside.
I need to go clean up again.
Yeah, Kaylee, Mama's got to clean up. Oh, yeah.
Careful, that's a TV right now.
Mama's going to clean the dog poop that Wudge pooped out, and Kaylee was sniffing her butt when that out. Going, hey. Hello. Hello.
Hi, Grandpaps.
Yeah, it's cool life, chicken. You know it. Check it. You know it. You know it, boy.
Get out here, buddy.
Okay, so this is gonna be kind of a short video because I'm gonna be recording.
You already shaved that.
I'm gonna be recording a second video today.
And what's
So-
it gonna be about? Pooping your pants?
Fortnite, Street Fighter.
Okay.
So yeah. Subscribe if you want to see that video posting tomorrow, and the Name Think Machine will be continuing the series on Monday. And
Liam, if you are gonna climb around on there,
Leave
you
a
should take your
like.
socks off.
so like the video,
Did you make that?
and ring the bell so you get notified whenever the next video comes out.
Oh,
And every video when it comes out.
okay.
Every future video. Peace out, kids and cats. Yeah, peace out, cutie, copy. Yeah.